The question is, did negligence kill 11 people in Andhra Pradesh's COVID-19 center blaze? State Fire Safety Director says hotel violated fire safety norms. He also claimed that alarm bell didn't ring at the time of the accident. Hospital management didn't procure NOC before converting the hotel in COVID center. In fact, converting this hotel entirely into a COVID-19 facility. No NOC was taken. It kept operating without necessary permissions, but officials only realized after the tragic incident what had happened. The hospital and hotel authorities are now facing investigation over negligence. The hospital, which was devastated in the fire, in fact, it's a hotel that was devastated in the fire, believed to be due to short circuit, is nearly 2 kilometers from a police outpost. It kept operating without necessary permission, but officials only realized after the tragic accident. Let's quickly cut across to Ashish Pandey joining us for more details on this. Ashish, here it looks like glaring irregularity. It appears that the hotel owner may not have complied with fire safety norms. He didn't have his fire safety in place, and the hospital which tied up with the hotel did not even take an NOC before tying up, turning it around into a COVID facility. With what rights did these people go right ahead and come up with a COVID facility? Because we know that people who were staying there were paying for the COVID facility. They paid for quarantine in that hotel. The least the hotel should do, ideally, whether it's COVID-19 period or not, is to comply with fire safety norms. How are they even functioning without fire compliances?
Yes, Nabila, you are absolutely right. Now, the government has blamed this private hospital, which had hired this hotel, where this tragic fire broke and resulting into death of 11 persons. Now, government official and fire safety department say that both hospital as well as the hotel management, they don't gathered and took permission for the operation and turning it into the hospital.
Ashish, do stay with us. Let's quickly cut across to Pattabhiram Komareddy, TDP spokesperson, joining us. Mr. Pattabhiram, could you take us through the details? What really happened with this COVID-19 facility that was a hotel, broke into fire? We hear no fire compliances were in place, and the hospital has not taken an NOC before roping in this hotel to grant it the status of a COVID facility.
Nabila, good afternoon. First of all, it is a very tragic and heartbreaking incident today that had happened in Vijayawada, where a fire broke out in a COVID care center. I mean, a hotel converted into a COVID care center. Until now, as per the reports, 11 people have lost their lives. It is very unfortunate that people who have got admitted to save themselves battling against COVID had to lose their lives so tragically in a fire accident. See, Nabila, here, just a few minutes back, the government had announced that they had actually given permission to this hotel to be converted into a COVID care center and to be run by a hospital. So the primary blame today is on the government. How did they give clearance to this hotel to be converted into a COVID center without inspecting the premises properly? They should have inspected the hotel premises properly. They should have checked whether the hotel has proper fire safety equipment. They should have checked whether the hotel has the proper NOCs. So without doing all this, how can a government permit a hospital to convert a hotel into a COVID care center? Today, all across the state, all these COVID care centers, these temporary COVID care centers where hospitals and other buildings are being converted, all these permissions are being given by the state government. The health ministry just a few minutes back had announced that they have actually given a permission for this. So before giving a permission, they should have checked. We all know how
what our concern is, Mr. Pattabhiram, what our concern is whether it is COVID period or not. There should be periodic checks by fire safety officials, of course dispersed by the government itself, to constantly go and check these buildings which is of public relevance, where people are staying, where people enter and exit. It's basically a commercial property. This fire compliance should be in place, and they should be checked periodically.
Absolutely, I completely agree with you, Nabila. We all have seen how an accident had happened just a few days back in Gujarat, in Ahmedabad, where 8 COVID patients have lost their lives in a fire accident in a hospital only a few days back. After that incident happened, lot of states across the country have conducted a safety audit in all these COVID hospitals. I've heard that in Orissa, the government there had actually placed fire engines also at COVID care centers. So what is the Andhra Pradesh government doing? When they have seen such an accident happening in Ahmedabad in Gujarat, they should have reacted immediately. They should have
Mr.
conducted
Pattabhiram,
a
what we're
proper
seeing
safety
here is the
audit check.
visuals are absolutely shocking. We're seeing people crying for help through the window of the hotel. And that's what we can see in the visuals. It's shocking. I can only imagine the kind of price that these people have paid, not just the money that they've spent for COVID-19, but also the kind of course, the life it's claimed eventually. We understand that it was an expensive hotel for one person to take quarantine.
Yeah, it is a star category hotel that is functioning from the past 25 years in Vijayawada. So I believe there will be a certain cost attached to it. So if it is a classified star hotel, it should be definitely having proper fire safety equipment and fire exits. We've heard that the alarm didn't go off, and even the patients and the staff didn't have an alternative staircase to get down the building. So there are so many lapses which are coming out. So primarily, as you have said, Navila, the fire department periodically had to check all these hotels and hospitals, whether they are taking NOCs or whether their equipment is functioning properly. So that is lapse number one. That didn't happen. The second lapse is before granting an NOC for this hotel to be converted into a COVID hospital, what did the government officials go and check? They should have checked the premises properly before giving a permission to the hospital to convert it into a COVID center.
A lot of answers that need to be given. It's not done. We are looking at 11 lives that this fire is claimed. No fire safety compliances that were followed. Here we're looking at a hotel, a star category hotel in Andhra Pradesh's Vijayawada that's now caught on fire. So bad, it's killed 11 people. All of them COVID-19 patients who use that hotel as a COVID-19 facility. We hear allegations are that the government did not check on fire safety compliances. There was no fire exit. That itself is shocking, to know that a COVID-19 facility was given a permission for in that hotel without proper checks. Why was there no safety audit done? Several questions being raised. The government is indeed answerable. Thank you very much, Ashish, as well as Pattabhiram, for joining us.
Hello everyone, this is Rahul Kamal here. Hope you enjoyed this video. For the latest news and analysis, like and subscribe the India Today YouTube channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated.